I hope you are done with your income tax filing for the year 2024. If you have done that, you can come to your CRA dashboard, and in the overview, you will get to see the tax return status. Like here, you see your 2024 return was assessed, and then you will also be notified about the notice of assessment when that will be available, depending on when you had submitted. Based on your submission, you will be notified the date by when it will be available. And if you want to see that on that day, you have to come and click on this express notice of assessment service. So we'll come to this little later. In case you have any payment to be done or payment to be received from CRA, that you will get to see here accounts and payment, whether it is credit or debit. Debit is when it will go from your account to CRA, where you have to pay to CRA, and there are various methods. You can do this online. You can, after you have filed in, you can go to Canada Post location and do the payment with the scan code what is there on the document. And once the payment is done, that will reflect. In case it still shows balance, don't worry, it takes about 10 odd days to update. When you have done from that day, it will be counted as you have done this payment. Even after 10 days, if you don't see that reflecting, then you can come to this accounts and payment. Once you click here, and then on this make online request, you have this payment trace. You click here, then here click on start, and then you enter the amount what was transferred, when the date was, and then what was the method. Once you make that entry, you enter your phone detail, and then the phone number has to include the country code, that is 1, followed by your phone number. If it is mobile, the 10-digit number. So 1 followed by your 10-digit mobile number. Once that is done, review and go ahead and submit. So the CRA will respond to you once they have details on your payment. Also on the overview page, you see here, this is where you can track all the progress. Once you click here, you will see what is happening with your tax filing, what you have done. In case on any given day, you want to know where your T4, T4A details are with CRA, once you are on overview, just come down. Once you scroll down, here you see tax information slip T4 and more. Once you click here on this page, once you come here, tax year, whichever tax year you select, for example, 2024, and then you see this information slip box opens. And from here, once you click on the select, you have all shown to you at one place, be it T4, T4A, T4E, tax-free saving account, or in case you want to go and select all slip. Once you do that and click view, here you will be shown everything in consolidated manner, where you can find the issuer's name, what is the slip type, and date it was processed. And in case you want to open in PDF, you can come and click here. So friends, I hope by now you know where to find all your T4, T4A, T4E information on CRA dashboard. And if you have to receive payment, do a payment with CRA, where you can find all those information, including your tax return. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. There are many other videos which might be of interest to you. So do check out those videos too. Thanks again.